Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. As you know that Tencent released HY3 model, and in this video we're gonna talk about this model. We're gonna see the benchmark. We are going to see how to set up, how to use it completely free. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So HY3 is a model released today by the Tencent, and it is not that capable. So there are HY3 preview and HY3 model, both are released today. So if you go to the detailed benchmark, you can see that it is completely beating GLM 5.1 model and completely close to GLM 5.2 model, and in some aspect it is complete to very close to GPT 5.5 model as well. So you can see all these details on this homepage of Tencent, and they have given the detailed benchmark here. See this to get more info on the benchmark. So by the way, OpenRouter is providing it completely free till July 21. So you can set it up in the OpenCode. So as you can see that I am using HY3 preview model in OpenCode using OpenRouter, and we created a snake game as we always create a snake game using all the models. And you can see that this snake game is pretty good and I like the UI, but it has some bugs and this model is not that capable. As you can see that I can start it without pressing the space bar, and it has many things. So this is all about this is all about this model, and if you want to use it completely free, go to browser and make a account to the openrouter.ai. Go to settings, go to like creds or something, go to API key and create a API key. Over here you can name it anything, you can set expiration and you can create it, and copy the API key and go to your open call and slash connect and search for the open router and enter here and press your API key and press enter. You can set it up completely free. Then you can go to the models and search for HY3 model. You can see that it is provided by OpenRouter completely free. So this is how you can use this model, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button also. Thanks for watching.